I'm not going to the front. This is so exciting. First time with her here to do it. Okay, so scared. Ooh, oh yeah, I'm so scared.
Why are you in the front?
You can keep this up that way because it's going to get fun. Y'all can keep this
Why are the
up.
two big persons in the back and the one person in the front?
Because we're going to sit together. We're going to get rain over
Hey,
here.
Camila. She can't even touch the floor.
Banana.
Record the other way. Record the other way. What?
He said show her face. So it's to his reaction.
Oh, okay. Who's driving with us? You want me to take a video?
I'm just kidding.
If I like it, I'm gonna go here every day.
Girl, what if you show your done? I have to put mine down because I didn't.
No, I go down. My hair's on my way.
Well, you can't go back there. We're gonna record this so you can show your mom, girl. So I'm gonna be like,
Go to my grandma. I'm gonna tie this up.
birthday. I didn't have that also.
Hi. Hi. Wish you good luck. I gotta put my window down. Let's go. I'm gonna do the front. I need a window.
I need to take pictures.
Wish you good luck. Wish you good luck.
Wish you that.
Oh, look at the seat.
You need to take pictures.
I think the guy.
To show your mom. To show your mom. We're
My
gonna show
mom's
your
gonna be like, Mija girl, what?
You were in
Like,
a
mommy. I'll call my mom's mommy.
so cool, my goodness. We're gonna show her mom this video.
Bro, we should bring a chair.
Video. It's just gonna be like, hey Roger, coming in left too? Oh my gosh.
No, I can't. Push your good. Don't drop the phone. Ready? Oh, ready?
I just woke up from a dream. But I don't think we're gonna be able to sing or listen to a song while we're in the car. Because
I told you guys, switch your good. Don't drop the phone. Especially you, Camila. Go, go. We're going.
no, Roski. Linda, hurry up.
Girl, you wanted to be in the front?
Yes, she had to.
Y'all
My
put her
dad
in
told
the
her
front.
to. Huh?
Why?
My dad told her because me and her wanted to be together. And my dad wanted her to record
It's
herself
not too
to
violent.
get her reaction.
It's more violent back there, really.
Camila, go on record so you can record your face. Camila, go on record. Here's to that. That wasn't that scary. That was good.